bro, we was gonna show.
Hey,
I don't even want to get a chance to do that.
My nigga hit him with these.
It's that big up seal. I'm trying to bust you open.
I was working with it though, like bitch up.
You got me messed up.
Straight up.
My nigga said he was going in.
Hey, my nigga went so motherfucking hard, man. Hey,
Sleep on a big boy,
straight
right
up.
on their feet, man.
Right.
Surprise you.
Surprise you when I get behind you.
When you think I'm gonna be like, they said, oh, I got him. Oh, he gonna want me just to sit on it.
Yeah.
Look, get in the room and get cold treat. Like, hold on, wait a minute.
I wasn't even ready for that.
Wait a minute, what you doing back there? She wasn't ready. She wasn't ready, man.
She wasn't ready for it, man.
Hold on, what you doing back there? I'm about to show you.
I'm about to show you. I'm with you.